Okay. After meeting, I will send this one to you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, for today's meeting, and first of all, I want to introduce about KOAI, and after that, I want to know your company. So, what do you do now for Mexican market?
Okay.
And then, okay, I I will share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we do.
Okay, KOAI is a manufacturer of marine pollutant recovery robot, and then we will concentrate research and development and marketing for Cobot. Cobot is a remote control based marine cleaning robot, and everybody knows there are two types pollutant in the ocean. This plastic, floating plastic waste is huge amount of floating plastic in the ocean, and the other one is spilled oil.
Okay.
My English speaking skill is very poor, and please understanding. McKinsey estimated and the waste plastic market to US$ 600 billion by 2050, and the spilled oil market and 6 billion. Now, currently used to any other pollutants, floating pollutant recovery system is absorbent oil skimmers, and some of company use drone and recovery vessels. Our cobot and use a hydrophilic latchet robotic vacuum system. And this vacuum system can cover from the low viscosity to high viscosity spilled oil, even microplastics. We use three main technologies, and one is hydrophilic material technology. We use this main technology, collect spilled oil and even microplastics at the same time. And we have unmanned operation technology we use, and from operating position to 1 kilometer area, our cobot can operate for recovery spilled pollutant. And
Excuse
the
me.
other, yeah,
Is the same machine the one that recollects the liquids and the solids?
of course. And then so from the low viscosity and to high viscosity, we can collect. Next page, I will show you the videos. So light oil and the heavy oil. The testing video you can see next page. And we use the floating efficiency storage tank. And this storage tank at the bottom, there is nano filter, and collected mixed oil and water, one more separate, and separated water returned back to the ocean. This is our main technology of cobot. This is
What capacity does the tank have?
This capacity is a 0.7 ton. So this is a yellow part, but easily take out after pour inside storage tank and easily change to the empty storage tank. Okay, this is we use the LSFO oil from this test, and this video, so people saw it. It's very heavy oil. So turning hydrophilic acid drum correct in front of spilled oil and pass through the storage tank. After this is a solid condition after spill at SFO.
It does stops the velocity of the viscosity stops the velocity of the recollection, right?
Father, so Chris, 이게 내용이 뭘 물어본 거죠?
The viscosity of the material affects to the speed of recollection, right?
Yeah. This is before this video and the viscosity 3000 CST. We put into the eyes for the test. After that, it's changed to the 20,000 CST.
Yeah,
Just-
yes, that means the viscosity is caused over the speed of the correction of the ones. Yes. 그 viscosity가 요 속도에 영향을 준 것 같다라는 얘기였거든요.
약간 속도를 주지.
Yeah. Yes, you are correct. Because of the viscosity, the velocity could be changed.
This video show how we can correct the spilled oil. If the storage connected this right side and then all of the moving RSFO, it can correct. This video, there was a oil spill accident, 3.5 tons happened Kamcheon port of Busan. This is the actual situation. After then, with our cover, we can collect 3.5 tons heavy oil, spill oil. After collect, and then we can separate yellow storage tank. This is a collected heavy oil. This is a left video is a before, show the after work and the before work. This is one of our model, oil recovery robot model. And we got the global POC at UAE National Oil Company, ADNOC, the 2 times. And February of 2024, we got the test at the ADNOC site. He is a vice president of ADNOC. It was successful demonstration at the time. The other model is waste robot cleaner. Protein waste easily collect with our cobot system. This water robot cleaner is quite a lot of certification from our governments. This is a testing how we can collect
That's for
Wait.
solids.
waste.
Okay.
We can customize backside storage tank. It's open types and covered net types. With this robot cleaner, water robot cleaner, we got global POC at ADNOC, the second demonstration at that time. From the outside, there are 2 boxes, it's, orange.
Those were only demonstrations, but do you have real cases, scenarios in which you have deployed your your solution?
It's, this is not the real situation, and then it's very difficult to make a pollutant situation in cleaning. It's a clean ocean, and pass through the 2 boxes orange into the ocean, and we can collect with our cobot.
Oil spill accident was happened in Korea several times. In the case, there is the real situation. But the Cobalt T, this one is to catch some garbage on the ocean, so that is everybody can use that one. Only the oil spill is that is the actual accident that he can show that once again. 그 오일 스필 된 거를 갖다 나중에 다시 한번 보여주시고 계속하시면 될 것 같아요.
Okay. This is our research system. It's not only one device, and the 2 or 3 cobot working together for recovery work. At the same time, this is our research system. This test is a very harsh condition. It's quite a high wave condition, and our cobot operating well. And
Okay. In
Third
fact,
one is reconnaissance is when there is when there is no policeman or when you want to watch or check the ship others, in the case there is reconnaissance is by cobalt with the camera, that ones.
In fact, one of the questions that I want you to ask to you is that if this is suitable for sweet and salty water, for sea and I don't know, for lagoon
Yeah,
or something
this
like
is
that.
the inside that accident was in seaside in the port in seawater.
And what kind of measures do you have to take for maintenance of the equipment?
Maintenance is no need. Maybe some part of the I don't know when you use that ones the maintenance is not necessary. Only you change the ratchet and yeah, that's all. No need maintenance.
Okay.
And as you can see, and there are lots of certification we already got, new technology and the innovative product and good invention from our governments. We are supplied to our cobalt to quite a different type of government company or export to other countries. And then our technology protected by 2 USA patents and 8 Korean patents. This is our competitiveness and other equipments and only effective against the limited contaminant, but our cobalt and the quite lightweight and from the low viscosity to high viscosity, even microplastics, we can collect at the same time. Low viscosity oil, we can collect 26 tons per hour, but high viscosity oil, 21 tons for an hour. This is a dating research. We have a certification of this capacity. We just we have 2 types cleaning model: oil recovery robot and trash recovery robot now, and we extend our business to swarm drone and underwater drone pool cleaner and autonomous drone reponse system. It's like a pictures.
Those are only concepts, right?
Yeah. This is concept, and we are now researching and drawing for these systems.
Yeah, looks nice.
And from our company started our business 2017, just 7 years before we started. We work and research and develop much our equipments, and the many is overseas exhibition and global POC and sales for other countries. I am CEO Tony Bob and our engineer Ho Shin Lee and center head researcher Lia Ju. And this is a very special to join researchers. And Mr. Moon is a principal researcher, very famous, very strong Korean government institute. And Mr. Park is a professor of Seoul National University. Okay, this is all I have. And
But Tony, you can show them the
video,
Kamcheon report, the video, the actual ones, how you
This-
have that ones.
this one.
Yes. This is the Busan area. one of the ports. And there is the accident. They called the KOAI to find the oil spill response. And he brought the cobot, and he added this one. I don't know how long did it take? 얼마나 걸렸어요?
Just they called early in the morning and then 6 a.m. and then from our factory and then moved to the spilled oil ports and just in 2 hours and from the start 8 p.m. and we work just 2 hours we can collect all of the spilled oil.
This was a big news because of in the seaport, there is the fish market nearby there. And when they have the accident, they made a fence and they called the KOAI. Tony, you can show them how to dumping the water to the basket.
Okay.
You can see this one.
After
This
work,
one is the after collection, yes.
in the easy to separate only yellow straight tank and hang on use the crane. At the bottom there is water and then
Yeah, so like a little bit of water at the beginning.
In the beginning, yes, there is a little bit of water because of the
yeah. Look at this. Okay. At the bottom it's water, isn't it? And then mixed oil and water put into the storage tank. After then, and it's from the density, just inside the oil is positioned upside, and the water is downside. And the downside water,
Yeah, it's heavier.
yeah, downside water return back to the ocean. And okay.
A little bit remains the waters that comes out. Waters go out to the ocean, but a little bit the water between the material from the oil and the bottom the outfit outlet. In the case there is some waters it contains.
Okay, you can see this nanofilter parts at the bottom. That's a white one. This is nanofilter.
What comes out
from this nanofilter? What comes out?
What is it?
In the ocean, when the oils is included, and the water go out through the filter in the ocean.
Okay,
but when you take off this one is the oil does not come out, only the water. So the inside of the bag, a little bit remained the water that shows in the beginning. That was the water.
Okay.
I will show you other videos.
Okay, so we have some questions. These machines that you show us, are those different machines? What models do you have available right now? I mean, not conceptual, but already developed.
What is using in Korea government, they purchased the cobot S and cobot T. Cobot S is oil, cobot T is a trash.
Okay.
Yeah, already supplied.
Trash and oil. Okay. I think that You said that they were electrical. They have batteries. What kind of batteries do they have? How much do they last, the batteries? How
We use
long?
we use the 20 volt, so 12 volts, two batteries on the left side, right side, and with these two batteries, we can operate 4 hours. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So these batteries have to be recharged after for the 4 hours. Can you change the batteries so you can be charging those batteries in the meantime, or they can't be removed from the
You can make a plan that wants how to change the batteries, because the batteries you can change their side when you prepare the battery in advance. You can change. After then you can charging the one.
Okay, so they are removable.
Yes, removable.
Perfect.
Like the car battery, like a car, you can change the one.
Yeah, exactly.
Excellent.
Okay.
The useful lifespan of the batteries.
Batteries, the maybe the if you use like the car, maybe around 2 years, 3 years, we don't know. Depending on the situation.
Look,
Those are lithium batteries, or what kind of batteries do you use?
you can see this video.
아니 배터리 어떤 거 쓰냐고요, 대표님 배터리 어떤 배터리 쓰냐고요?
It's a deep cycle batteries. This is why, and
리튬 배터리 쓰시냐고 묻는 겁니다.
it's a deep cycle batteries, not lithium.
Okay.
This is why when we got the global POC and Malaysia, Indonesia, and Arab Emirates and Kuwait at that time, it's a very difficult situation to bring the lithium battery on the flights. It's impossible sometimes. And then we decide it's a international global standard battery is better. And this is why we decide deep cycle 2 batteries.
So you can find the
Operate.
battery in your area. If the size is correct, you can use that one.
이거 지금 이거 보이죠?
네,
이게 지금 보이죠?
네.
여기 보면 지금 this is a nano filter. Only water comes out. We hang on this storage tank. This inside water comes out. After that, move to this storage tank. Easily control inside collected oil.
That's amazing. We are really interested in your product. We really want to jump in talking about costs.
So you have your area to use this one or for application and oil spill.
Excuse me?
You have your oil spill application area for your business in your job. The oil spill response is one of your job.
We do have some services for vessels for ships. And maintenance on ships and installation of security and cameras and a lot of services for the cranes.
Okay.
On the ships. So we want to expand our catalog of services.
I see. The cost of this one is that you see the cobalt T. The reason we cannot use the camera security point of view, that is the customized. If you need the camera in cobalt, yes, you can use that one. But that is the depending on request.
No, it's not needful to add something like that, but it's just something that we want to expand our catalog of services.
I
So
see.
this is the reason that we were interested in your product. So do you have the costs of your machines, of your products?
Tony has the price list, and maybe he can send it to you.
We would like to check if you can give us costs, maintenance costs, if you give the maintenance to the products, or what kind of precautions do we have to be aware of to use make a good use of the product, so it to last. What kind of guarantees do you include? What
Okay.
times do you have of delivering the product?
Okay.
If you give us some sort of capacitation or operation manual for using the product.
Okay. Yeah, this one is developed for using the Coast Guard. So to the Coast Guard he's supplied. In Coast Guard, there is always this equipment used in the seawater side. So that's the reason why when you check over the corrosion and other things, he developed this style, because anti-corrosion is very important in the seawater. And also the cost and price, and also the maintenance, he will send it to you by email. That is better to you, I think.
Excellent. Inmelin, do you have any question?
대표님 혹시 질문 사항 있으십니까?
아니, 저 옆에 참가진 인멜린한테 물어본 건 아닙니까? 켜져 있냐고?
I think that
아니요.
he's kind of having some trouble with his
Yeah.
his microphone. Inmelin, do you want me to call you? Give me a second.
일단 이쪽 회사가 뭐 하는지 좀 그 간단하게 소개받는 건 좋지 않을까요?
아까 저기 메인터넌스 하고 저기도 일하는 거는 간단하게 얘기했었는데. Okay, the Luis, he wants to understand what your company is doing until now, and also what is the main job. If there is the more detailed information, he wants to listen to that.
Do you want me to give you what we do, or what?
Yes, your company's the job and introduction of your companies, if you have.
Okay. Do you want me to can I send you the presentation of our services?
Oh, yes, maybe you can send
Sure.
it to him, or if you want to now, so you can do. But if you can send it to Tony, also it's okay.
Okay, so I'm calling to Inmelin. Just a second.
Buzón de voz. La llamada se cobrará al terminar los tonos.
이제 공유 중지할까요?
예.
¿Qué pasó?